Hello, Professor. Hope all is going well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this. Earlier this year, we did our favorite software application, and I talked about one of the popular Call of Duty games. Just recently, about a month ago, they released a new one, and I figured that since I've been watching so much YouTube content on this new game, that I would do a YouTube tutorial that helped me out. Every single year, there's a camo challenge for the weapons that you have. There's different mastery camos, or just ones that you can use yourself that aren't as nice, but all of them have challenges that you have to complete in order to do them. Whether it be mounting your weapon, laying on the ground, getting double kills, so on and so forth. And this year they decided to switch it up compared to the previous years. The camo grind probably takes just as long as it has in other years, but they streamlined it in a sense where the challenges aren't as hard. And once you unlock a camo for a gun, you can put it on every other weapon instead of it just being for one specific gun like in the past. So a lot of people were confused when they first opened the game and tried to figure out how it worked because it was so different from things in the past. I found this YouTube video and it helped explain a lot about how it works. Unfortunately, on my screencast, I don't have the upgraded version, so we won't be able to hear what's going on in the video, but I'll stop every little bit and show or explain what he was saying in the video.
People asking me about how does the actual camo system work inside of Modern Warfare 2. And I myself have just unlocked the gold sniper rifle inside of the game, and I can safely say that unlocking camos is super easy, a bit time consuming with the leveling up, but it is also all over the place. Also, before we get into the video, shout out to these amazing people. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want a chance to be shouting inside of the creator class, customization, and going over to the camo selection, you might notice that there is a lot of camos and they're all locked. It does say there's
right here the YouTuber is explaining how there's these 4 camos, and then there's 4 completionist camos that you have to do for every single weapon, and then there's 186 in total over here, and it's kind of overwhelming when you first open the app.
186 camouflages to unlock, but do not worry, the only camos that you will only ever have to worry about on any kind of weapon are the ones that are inside of the lightly grayed box in your corner. For example, as you can see, I have my sniper rifle that I got gold on, and it is called the MCPR 300. Now this is where you can actually see.
Alright, just to end off the screencast, what he was explaining in this part was honestly what helped me understand the entire camera grind this year. I think without this video, it would have taken me a lot longer to figure out what was going on, what the developers were trying to go for when they made this game. But basically what you have to do is you only worry about these 4 specific camos in the bottom left, and once you've unlocked them and do the specific challenges right up here, you can put them on any weapon, and then you just have to do the completionist camos, which are all the same challenge for each weapon.